Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Alright, so this is the third day of the excavator work. It looks like I lost most of my footage for day 2. Anyways, over here is the existing water line, and this is where I'm going to put the tie off for the new water line for the water hydrants. I'm going to I got the stuff to put a valve on the incoming line over there, a T coming off with PEX pipe, a valve for the PEX pipe, and run PEX pipe out. There's the sewer pipe I had to fix, and I got the water pipe up to there. Going to walk this kind of quickly here, so it's going to jostle. Sorry about the jostling, just trying to get this done quick. I backfilled a section here, just enough to get the excavator out. So, water down here. Okay. If you look down there, all along there, it's like a gravel bed down here, stream bed. And this is what the material looks like. So, gonna put in one hydrant there. I have a T in here, and I just piled up some clumps of grass with a bunch of the rock I dug out of there to hold it down flat, because it didn't want to hold down flat. And down there you can see I buried it to get the excavator from back over there. I'm going to try to jump this ditch here without killing myself. There we go. Tough when I get old. There was a buried electrical line here going from here crossed over for the pig pen. So at some point later on, I'm gonna have to get in here and dig it out and see what I can do about fixing it. That's not a high priority because I'm not using power over there right now anyways. All right, so this is where I backfilled this part here. I backfilled basically what I did is I dug this out to a point here, and then I dug past it, and then I moved up on side. This dirt pile wasn't here, it was over there farther. I moved up and finished digging out and got it all connected up. Anyway, so there's where another hydrant's gonna go. And the important part about the placement on this one is it's beyond the line of the shop. So if I have to pour a concrete pad here for the cargo container to sit on, it's going to come out past here a couple feet here, and I didn't want to be interfering, but it should be past the end of the cargo container anyway, so everything should be good on that. So that's where this stuff is right now. I'm slowly hauling pieces of concrete around. I'm going to get this whole area out to the bucket on the backhoe attachment set up here to with all the concrete laid in here, and then I'm going to be getting a lot of rock and material brought in on top of it, and I'll flood it and get it all taken care of. Anyway, so that takes care of that. That's what else. Oh, I put in a lateral from the sewer clean out. Oops, it's named right. Is over there. I'll walk over and show it to you. Over to here. This is I put this up high so it doesn't, no one runs over something sitting low. So I'm going to put a sewer clean out here once they do pour the concrete. They're coming July 5th to pour the first 34 feet of the driveway, and once they get that all done, then to come in on August 1st to do the next 34 feet, which should take them out just about the property line. And there's the clean out that was in there. I had to reset that one because that was not glued into the pipe. The excavator is going back this morning, and I got a mini track loader coming in, and so that's what's going to happen here. Going to try to get everything filled in, taken care of, and so that's the latest and greatest update real quick here in a snapshot. And so alrighty, I get real busy today, and I will try to shoot some more footage, and then over the next week or so, I'm going to be trying to edit it after I get all the equipment work done. Alrighty, take care.